It starts with the patient's own blood. T cells, the immune system's soldiers, are collected and sent to the lab. There, they're activated and genetically reprogrammed to recognize cancer. Millions of these new CAR T cells are grown and multiplied. Every batch is tested for safety, purity, and potency before release. Then they're infused back into the patient. A living medicine built to fight. This is CAR T-cell therapy. Precision medicine manufactured for hope.